What if I told you that you could run an AI as smart as ChatGPT right on your computer for free with no subscription and it works entirely offline? So as you can see, this is Gemma 4 currently running on my PC, and in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to download it and install on your PC so you can also use this entirely offline on your PC for free. So to get started, first you need to come to the lmstudio.ai. I'll give the link in my description box. So you can download for Windows. Just click here for download Windows and it will start to download on your PC. And it's very easy to install. You can check out this video on the right corner if you want to see the how to install this video. Installing part is very easy. Just click next. I'm using LM Studio because you don't need to use any command prompt to run the setup on LM Studio. It's very easy to use. Now after installing this, you can see there's a new chat option, but currently I don't have any model. So we're going to download the Gemma 4. So you can see there's an option of search icon, click on it. And here you will find the Gemma 4, all the model that you want. If you don't find Gemma here, you can just search for Gemma 4 and you will find all the latest version of Gemma 4 model. Now here is Gemma 4 31 billion parameter, Gemma 4 E4B. These are the models. So if you click on this model is 6.3 GB. And if I click on this Gemma 4 E2B, this model is the lowest size model, which is only 4.41 GB. This also supports image input reasoning and tool calling. Now, the smaller model are much faster and this billion parameter model is much powerful. If you have a powerful PC, you can download this. But I'll download the E4B, the middle one, which can be run on any average PC. So I'll just click download and it will start to download on your PC. So you just have to wait after it finishing the download. Now as you can see, the download has been completed and this is the notification you'll get. And you can see there's an option of using chat. So let's check the power of this AI. Now for the first time, if you want to run this model, it will show you this load model. So for this tutorial, I'll just use the default settings and click load model. And as you can see, it starts to load the model. So you just need to wait for a couple of seconds here. So as you can see, the model has been loaded and this is where you can chat just like you use ChatGPT. So first, I'm just going to use text to see how this local AI can handle a reasoning prompt. So I'm just going to provide a prompt of my messy fridge. So I need to make dinner, but my fridge is a mess. Here's what I have, like 3 chicken breaks and half a carton of eggs. And also I give you a problem. So let's see it can solve the problem and click submit. And as you can see, it will start to thinking and start to analyze my prompt here. And also let me just turn off the Wi-Fi here. So you will understand that it's currently running offline. It start to giving me the recipe here. And also it's giving me another recipe. And currently right now it's completely running on my PC without any internet connection, as you can see. And now it has finished giving me the answers. And my prompt is giving me 2 healthy recipe ideas using only these ingredients. So these are the ingredients that I provide. And it really gave me some recipe here to only using these 3 ingredients. And also it gave me some instruction how you can cook them. So you will see there's some option here, like this is option for regenerate. So if you don't like this answer, you can just regenerate to get another action. And this is the continue the assistant message. And this is the branch. So you can create a branch to give another question to use this chat as a memory. And this is the copy message. And this is the edit message that you can edit it. And this is just a delete option. And notice there's the option of thinking and vision mode. So thinking will take time to give your answers, but think option is better for reasoning, but think option is better for getting reasoning answer or more complicated prompt that you want to use. So for example, I didn't turn it on. If I turned it on, maybe I'll get better result. Now this is good with text. Now I'll show you how you can understand also images and files. So let me just go to this plus icon and upload an image. So I just uploaded this image, which is a parking sign. So let's see this, it can understand these confusing city parking signs. And let's keep this prompt here. And let's see it can understand that if I can park here, like it's Thursday at 4:30 p.m. and click submit. As you can see, it's completely understand the image and giving me that no, I must wait until 6 p.m. And when is the earliest time that I can park my car here? So this is the image, as you can see. The LM Studio, you have all the chats in the left here, as you can see. Also, there's an option of new folder, like you can organize all your chats to create any folder. And on the right corner, you can see there's a split view option. And if you see split right, run model side by side and to check if the model is giving me different answers. Right corner again, you see there's a 3 option menu and you can see there's the option of edit system prompt. Here you can use your custom instruction, like if you want to get a specific format of answer, like you can add bullet points in a table format or any other format that you want. You can customize your instruction here. So that's it, guys. This is how you simply run Gemma 4 locally on your PC completely for free and unlimited time. And also this is offline, so everything safe on your PC and private. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.